Hey guys, wagwan, welcome back to Jamaican Cuisine. This is your girl Shanice. If you're new, welcome. Thank you so much for stopping by. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button before you leave. Come join the Jamaican family. Now in this video, I'm going to show you guys how to make this quick General Tso's chicken that I served with some shrimp fried rice. It's very easy to make, and trust me, it will be more delicious than your local takeout spot. So stick with me and let's go make some General Tso's chicken. For this recipe, I will be using boneless chicken thighs. It's better to keep the skin on because we will be deep frying this, and you know it's so much more delicious with the skin on. However, I'm using what I have in my freezer, guys. You can also use boneless chicken legs if you have that. Whatever dark meat you have, that's always gonna be better than using white meat in this recipe. So my chicken was cleaned and washed off camera, and I just cut them into nice sized chunks. And now we're gonna go ahead and season. So the first thing we're gonna go ahead and add is an egg, then 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, a teaspoon of ginger paste, 2 tablespoons of cornstarch, and 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour. I'm gonna add a teaspoon of this 5-spice Chinese seasoning that I have, followed by a teaspoon of garlic powder and half a teaspoon of salt. Then I'm gonna add a dash of red chili pepper flakes and 2 cloves of garlic that I crushed. We're gonna go ahead and mix that in really well, and we're gonna set it to the side for now and allow it to marinate, I'd say for 15 minutes or so. And if you guys don't have cornstarch, you can probably use some baking powder or baking soda instead. The cornstarch is really just to give it that extra crisp that we're looking for, so it's really up to you guys. While our chicken is marinating, we're gonna go ahead and make the sauce to my bowl. I'm gonna go ahead and add 2 heaping tablespoons of brown sugar. Then I'm gonna go ahead and add a tablespoon of rice vinegar. I'm also gonna follow that up by adding a teaspoon of sesame oil. And then I'm gonna add around 2 tablespoons of soy sauce. I'm also gonna add a nice teaspoon of ginger paste, and we're just gonna mix that in really well, guys. And this sauce right here, I'm telling you, this is just gonna bring our dish to life. I'm also adding a tablespoon of honey because it wasn't giving me that sweet taste that I was looking for. So the honey's optional, but you will not regret it. So now we're gonna fry your chicken. You want your oil to be nice and hot. I'm using around 2 cups of oil, and we're just gonna start frying these babies. I'm actually gonna do 2 batches because my skillet isn't large enough to just fry everything all at once, and we don't want to overcrowd the pot, guys. So I'm gonna fry my chicken pieces for around 6 minutes. I'd say like 3 minutes per side, and my flame is on medium high right now. And once we're finished frying our chicken pieces, we're just gonna rest them to the side and allow them to drain a little bit. And as usual, my loves, all the ingredients that I used will be down below in the description box for you guys. You know I got y'all. Now we're gonna go ahead and add our sauce. My flame is on medium low right now because we don't want the sauce to get too thick and reduce too fast. So I added some cornstarch slurry that I made, and this will thicken our sauce. So I added around a teaspoon of cornstarch to around 3 tablespoons of water, mix that in really well, and I added it to the sauce. And we're just gonna mix that in to make sure that we don't form any lumps. And ensure, guys, that your flame is on low because this is gonna get really thick very fast as soon as we add that cornstarch slurry. And then we're just gonna add our chicken pieces and toss them into that delicious sauce. Ensure that every single piece of chicken is coated in that delicious sauce. Just look how beautiful this looks, guys. My kitchen is smelling so good right now. This is a quick, easy, and delicious dish that everyone will enjoy. I think the kids would love this. It's very easy to make and it doesn't take a long time. You can serve this with some simple white rice, some fried rice, even some lo mein. I ended up serving mine with some shrimp fried rice that I made, and it was perfect. Now I'm just topping it off with some red chili pepper flakes, and this is just to add a little bit of heat to it. This is really optional. But if you guys enjoy this video, go ahead and leave a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe if you're not yet subscribed, and don't be shy to leave a comment as to what you would like to see me make next for you guys. I really appreciate the support as always. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for supporting. You guys walk good, stay safe.